Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Hyundai Bluelink charging status and schedules. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Hyundai Bluelink charging status and schedules, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and in an area with a good internet connection. Next, open the Hyundai Bluelink mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, log in to your Bluelink account. Once logged in, select your vehicle from the dashboard. Navigate to the charging section within the app. In the charging section, look for the option labeled Charging Status. Tap on this option to view your vehicle's current charging status. To set up charging schedules, return to the charging section. Look for the Charging Schedule option and tap on it. You will now see options for scheduling charging times. Select Add New Schedule to create a new charging time. Set your preferred start time for charging. Adjust the days of the week you want this schedule to apply. Once you have configured your schedule, review the details. Confirm your settings by selecting Save. You will receive a notification confirming that your schedule has been set. Feel free to revisit the charging section to make any adjustments in the future. Now your Hyundai Bluelink charging status and schedules are successfully enabled. Enjoy the convenience of monitoring and managing your vehicle's charging needs right from your phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.